Hi there, this is just a reminder on how to submit custom assignments. So you'll go to Unit 2 for this one. You'll go to 252A, Isometric Activity. In this activity, you'll complete 2 tasks. Read through the notes given below and watch the video. Complete the following worksheet provided in this link. There's a worksheet. You will also submit your work within that link. Okay, so let's take a look at that. Okay, so here is the worksheet that you'll be doing. And actually, this says that you will do some kind of file upload afterwards. Okay, so you guys will have a blue button in this one where it'll say upload or submit. So that's what you'll be doing there. Now, there was some more to it. It said read through the notes given below. So here are the notes. So you'll have to read through these notes, maybe take a note or two, watch this video, follow this link to complete the practice worksheet. Okay, so let's see there. That says unauthorized. Interesting. You will upload a copy or picture of your work to this assignment. So I'm not sure why I'm getting this unauthorized thing. If you guys get an error, let me know. Here's an extension, and this is optional. There's a drawing tool that you can use right here and kind of play around with. Okay, so I think the main part that I wanted you guys to be able to do is just get to this page, click this link, and do this worksheet, and then publish your work, publish this worksheet. Okay, or not publish it, but upload it. Okay, thanks a lot.